Ah, come back. Did you see the little wings of the heron maybe? And then, surprise, I wasn't going to talk, but whatever. Okay. Where did it go? No, oh, there. Do you know what that is out there? I'm asking you, do you know what the white one is out there?
Mm-mm.
It's hard to see right now, but good. We can come back maybe tomorrow and look. And there's another one over there. Do you know that we have pelicans in Kansas?
Those are pelicans?
Yes, they are.
Oh my god, really?
Yes, we are. And there's the heron. This was a good day to come out here. Makes up for feeling crappy yesterday.
I did not know that.
Yes, we do. There's Mr. Heron, and you thought you could escape me. Got you. On film, too. And there's a pelican. Because, yes, I know it's Kansas and there's no ocean, but hey, there's the heron. And I'm sitting on this thing, and it feels like this movie, which isn't really great for my balance issues, but there's the heron. And we have fish jumping. Oh, I would like to do a live, but I can't today. I wasn't prepared for another one. There's pelicans in the background. See? We have pelicans in Kansas. You can see his, like, oh, what are those called? 1, 2, oh, I'm moving too much. 3. Where's the heron? I'm gonna have, not sure if you can see it, but a spider web, because even though I have this spider bite, I like taking pictures, video of spider webs. Don't know why.
And over there, that bird.
It would help me out so great, Mr. Heron, if you would catch a fish. And one more view of the pelicans. They're not very clear, but they're far away, and so am I.